first thing you need to know how to do when taping your announcements is capturing video. Capturing video just means that you're taping yourself in a way where the video will automatically upload into the Adobe Premiere Pro suite in order for you to edit it. Before you capture video, though, you need to mute the volume. Do not forget that. The feedback will ruin any tape you do. When you're ready to capture and your volume's been muted, go to the upper left-hand corner in the File menu and hit File. Go down to Capture. It's also F5 if you like to use a shortcut. And if your camera's on, you'll automatically see yourself. Now, you should be sitting way back by the green screen near the wall, and that'll give you a much better view of everybody. However, for me taping this video, I need to sit up close to the computer. When you're ready to capture, all you need to do, let me move this up a bit, is hit the record button. And then once you record, everything you say will be recorded. Hi, everybody. When you're done, hit stop. Now, if you don't like what you taped and you want to get rid of it, all you have to do is push cancel. But if you do like what you want to tape, you want to keep it, then give it a name. In this case, I'm going to put practice 1. And then push OK. Exit out of your video capture and go where it says the capture, the project lesson plan capture. And I taped one before, but I didn't like it. But this is the one I just taped. You can see me waving. And that's how you capture a video. What I'd like all of you to do right now is practice capturing video. Give yourself at least 1 or 2 tries in order to get it right, because it takes a long time to get used to seeing yourself on tape. Good luck.